ye able, said the Master, to be crucified with me? Yea, the sturdy dreamers answered, to the death we follow thee. Lord, make us able, our spirits are thine. Remold them, make us like thee divine. Thy guiding radiance above us shall be, a beacon to God, to love and loyalty. Are ye able to remember when the thief lifts up his eyes, that his pardoned soul is worthy of a place in paradise? Lord, make us able, our spirits are thine. Remold them, make us like thee divine. Thy guiding radiance above us shall be, a beacon to God, to love and loyalty. Are ye able, when the shadows close around you with the sod, to believe that Spirit triumphs, to commend your soul to God? Lord, make us able, our spirits are thine. Remold them, make us like thee divine. Thy guiding radiance above us shall be, a beacon to God, to love and loyalty. Are ye able still, the Master whispers down eternity, and heroic spirits answer, now as then in Galilee. Lord, make us able, our spirits are thine. Remold them, make us like thee divine.